Welcome to dubventures and welcome to another video. Today guys, we're going to do a full van tour of our VW Swamper Crafter camper van because we've had a few things done recently, so we're going to go through everything and show you a full tour of everything with our camper van. So we've just recently had fitted this bull bar to the front of the van. It's something that we wanted for a long time, and you know, to get the one that fitted the van and everything took a bit of work to get it, but we're really pleased that we've got it, and now we've got that fitted, we're really pleased with it. The wheels that we have on our VW Crafter camper van is Black Rhino wheels, and we've got the BF Goodrich tyres. When we got the van, one of the first things that we did was we got these wind deflectors fitted, because it just means that you can have the window down when you're camping, or you know, if you've got like an electric hookup that's on a plug that you can put through the window and things. Such a good handy thing to have, and like I said, when you're camping you can leave the window slightly open. It doesn't matter if it's raining, and that gets the airflow in the van, so do recommend them. So we've got the windows fitted, and then what we've got here, we don't have windows in the back of the van, but what we did is, to go for the hashtag VW Swamper look that we're doing, we've got this vinyl wrap on both sides of the van. I'll show you the other side in a second. Same on the back of the van as well, you know, where some people might have windows, we've got a vinyl wrap because we didn't want windows. So guys, that's the outside of the van. Nice and simple, we've got all the things that we needed to get done. There is some more modifications we want to do, but they'll be coming in other videos. Let's have a look inside the van. So the Volkswagen Crafter camper van that we've got, it is an automatic gearbox, and one thing I will say, I've said it in so many videos, what a fantastic option it is if you can get a Crafter camper van with that automatic gearbox. It's such a smooth, like effortless drive when you drive it. So we have the standard double seat in our van, and you know, at one point we was thinking like maybe we should get like a, you know, the swivel base that you can turn the seat round and everything, but you know what? The seats are so comfy, we've just decided that we're not going to change them. The good thing is with these, you can actually fold like one of the seats down, and then that gives like a table area. So like I said, the seats, we're just going to keep them as they are. If anyone doesn't know, it is a 2 litre and it's diesel. Let's go and have a look at the living area of our camper van. So one of the things that we've just had fitted is our kitchen unit. Now, we've actually had this designed ourselves, and then we got it made and we've had it fitted. So let's get in there and have a look. So we know what we use in our camper van, and you know, we know what items we take, even for like long road trips. So what we did is we had a big cupboard made here, and that's storing the gas and the water, and that leaves us a shelf unit there, and there is a gas dropout vent in there because we have been asked a few times about that. Then we have a cupboard here, again that's going to be for storage, and then we have this cupboard under here, and that's got all like the pans and everything in. And then we have this cupboard here. Now what we do is we've got some storage items in here that we keep with us, and then we have our EcoFlow Delta in there. Now what we do is we take that out when we're not traveling, and we keep that just so basically Brooke can have some power for her hair dryer and her hair straightener, so that's why that's in there at the moment. And we have a drawer here that we keep all of our cutlery in there. So okay, let's move on now to our rib bed and seating area. So if you don't know, these seats, I'll just get in and show you, you can actually turn it into a bed. Now we do have the bedding area up here, and we was looking at maybe getting like a L-shaped conversion type of thing, but after doing a lot of thinking in that, it worked out better for us to actually get a seating area. So obviously we've got extra seats, and then we can relax here because we do have like a table that we can connect there, so we can relax and, you know, eat and just take it easy when we're out on traveling and so on. And it worked out better for us to get a rib bed, so that again we have like an extra bedding area as well. And there, as simple as that, an extra bed. We have our DVD player and TV here when we're travelling, and then we've got like the cab divider curtains. We've got them for the cab bit here, and then obviously for the windows. And just where the seat is, we have a section here, and that is where our toilet is. Right, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you the bedding area. So I'll now show you the bedding area. So we've got an elevated bed, and we have a frame that's fitted so that, you know, the bed base can sit on top. There's an elevated bed, and that is weight bearing so that it can be used as a step. Now we do have a tambour door here, and the tambour door, when you open it, goes into the garage area, but I will show you what we have in there. We do have a diesel heater in the van, and it is a Webasto diesel heater. We have the LED lights, and they can be individually turned on or off. So here we have the garage space. Now what we've done is we've built a storage unit here. Then it's got 3 shelves, and we've just come back from the Yorkshire Dale, so we've not took anything out yet. And what we do is we use this section for our clothes. That's got the cupboard door on it, and then in here we put like jackets and things, and then here this is where we have like our cooker, you know, and different like facilities. Like we have another cupboard there. It's not quite finished that yet, but that's something that we're going to get done. Now what we do here is we have a fridge system, and what we do is our fridge sits here, and we have a EcoFlow battery section, and what we do is we basically power our fridge with our EcoFlow batteries, and then when we're driving we can actually plug it in, because we do have some USB sockets over there, and what that does is it plugs in and it keeps the EcoFlow topped up, and then when we're not driving we can unplug it, and the EcoFlow batteries, that actually keeps the fridge running. So it's a perfect system, and it works really well for us. And then we've got the shoe rack here that obviously when we've been out and about, we've got like shoes that might not be clean or anything, we can put them on there. So now as you can see, the elevated bed, it's got the bed base underneath. Now what we did is we put some holes in it to give like an airflow system, you know, obviously when the mattress is on top. Now a lot of people said that, oh, you know, by doing that it's going to get mold and everything. We've not had any mold issues whatsoever doing that, but I mean, at the end of the day, you've got to keep it clean. As long as you like give things a wipe and that, you know, I don't think you'll have any issues. But yeah, we've put like the base on the bed frame, and like I said, putting them ventilation holes in, it's worked really well for us. So there you have it, guys. That's a full tour of our VW Swamper Crafter camper van. Now there is a lot more things that we're getting done to, you know, like modify certain things, and like, you know, I put more additions with things on, and like I said, you know, that cupboard's not finished yet. But the thing is, everything that we've got done so far, it works for us, and it's been done just in time that when we go travelling, because we're going to Scotland soon, and everything that we've got now, we've got the storage, you know, we've got the cooling system for like the fridge and the food and things. The system, it works really well for us. We have got more modifications on order, but there's a waiting time, and you know, like when it's supposed to get delivered, you know, it turns out that like there's a delay in things, you know, getting like the orders in and things. But we are on with it, and there is a lot more modifications coming. We are really excited to get these other modifications, so you'll have to stay tuned for that. So guys, it's a nice quick video today. Like I said, I just wanted to show you everything that we've had done, because a lot of you guys have been asking us, because we've got a lot of new subscribers, and do you know what? Thank you everybody that's subscribed recently. We really appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed already, while you're here, hit that subscribe button. It really helps the channel out, and we really do appreciate it. Have you done it? You done it? Excellent, thank you very much. So guys, that's it for today's video. We are going to be doing, like I said, a Scotland trip, and that's going to be the next videos that are coming, and there's a few of us that are doing that, so it's going to be chaos. So guys, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and until the next one, bye for now.